Hello guys, today we see how to resolve access not denied problem in the MySQL Workbench. So I need to open the MySQL Workbench, and you can see there are two connection are there. One is local instance 3006 and second one is student, and the student connection is made by me, and the first one connection localhost instance 3006 is by default available when we are installing a MySQL bench into our system. So when I show you what error I am facing when I clicking on this. uh, you can see cannot other connected to database server. Your connection attempt failed for user root from your host to serve at localhost 3006 and access denied for user root at the rate localhost. And I click on the close, and to resolve this issue we need to open the terminal, and we for this we need to open the MySQL console. So I am showing you commands to open the MySQL console using a user, and I write the MySQL -u for uh, using a user to log in into the MySQL uh, console, and I click on this, and you can see it give me a access not denied problem. And we can also use -p, where like when we are installing the MySQL, and at the time if you are given any password, so use for that we are using the -p, and we are clicking on this, and you can see it showing enter a password, and we are enter a password that we are enter on the timing of the installation, and we are clicking on this, and you can see it's again give us a error access denied for root user. And go into the MySQL using a root user. So we are using a sudo command, sudo MySQL -u or root or hyphen. Click on enter button. Here we writing our system password, and then click enter. And here we writing yes, our root user password, MySQL root user password, and click on enter, and you can see our MySQL console get open. And first of all I show you like this, show you all users with their plugin and their host name, and the users. Select users, plugin, host from my MySQL dot users. And here you can see all it's showing all user, and you can see there here is a root user. And and I also tell you why we are facing the problem, because our root user using a out socket plugin. So because of that we are facing the problem. There are two ways to resolve this issue. One is to replace the out socket plugin to the MySQL native password, or second way is using create a another user and give him all privileges that our root user have. So we are going for a second approach, because in the first approach if we are like trying to changing the root user or security, that is not good good way. So we are going to the second way. So I am also showing you the all database data available in my system, and I write the command and click on the enter. And here we are using you can see there are all databases that are showing, and we are simply using a MySQL database, and click on the enter, and you can see it's showing a database changes. And we simply create a new user. So using a create create user, and here we are writing a Rohit at the rate local host, and we are also writing the identified with identify by like password, and here I am writing the password. And simply click on enter, and you can see our query get executed, and we are also granting the all the privileges to the this user. And and give the privileges to the all the users to the good users. So I'm writing the command star dot star and then two, and we are writing this username and this uh, click on the enter, and you can see this very got also got executed. And you if you like give the all privileges to the any user, so you need to run one more command flush plus privileges, and then click on that. And then when you like doing this, and so you give plus your privileges, and we can also I also show you the user with user like we are created here, like showing here. And so simply we are click on as it, and we resolve this problem. And whenever we are create new connection, and here we are giving a name school, and we are using a Rohit user we have created recently, and we are also giving him a password for this connection. And I am typing a password here and click on the OK, and I test this connection, and you can see successfully made the MySQL connection. I click on the OK, and then again OK, and I click on this connection, and you can see this connection get open and without any error, and close this connection. And we can delete this connection because there is a no need of this connection, and we are using a Rohit recently created user everywhere because we are giving all privileges to this user. So this problem gets solved. And thank you for watching my video, and subscribe my channel, and like this video if your problem gets solved.